Welcome to the HardReset POCO M5, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first we should open Settings app and then scroll down to Additional Settings. Then click here to Screen Recorder section, and to change this sound settings we should click on Sound Source. Now we use the system sounds, so this means that all of the media's ringtones they will record in your screen recording. We can use also the microphone if you want to comment something, or you can just mute video. And that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can launch screen recorder settings. Just first open notification panel shortcuts and find screen recorder icon. Hold for a while this icon, not just touch it, just hold it a little bit, and after that we can see here the same screen recorder settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.